Hey guys, this is MTP Tech and today we are unboxing Apple AirPods Max headphones. These are blue, but the color name is like navy blue or something. Okay, let's just start with this side. Ooh, satisfaction. Okay. Yeah. Looking good. Okay, let's put that to the side. Open the box. Oh, okay. Whoa, look at the padding. It's even soft. Nice. Ooh, and we see the headphones. Damn. Now this is quality, dude. Now this is quality. Okay, let's put them to the side. We're gonna look at them. Then there's nothing else, just this booklet. And of course there's charging cable, USB-C to Lightning. Okay, let's take that cable out. I like that Apple invests and make all these things that holds cables now in paper, not like in plastic, and that's really much better than plastic. Oh, simple cable. 1 meter will be okay. What do we have here? Now, AirPods Max and how to set them. Set up and turn Bluetooth on, connect AirPods Max, 5 centimeters. Okay. Then turn digital crown to adjust volume. Press once to play or pause, double press to skips forward, and triple press to skip back. It's kind of simple. What else? Siri, press and hold. Nice. Okay, then noise control with the button. Okay, noise control with the button. Charging your device with the cable, and sleep mode. Put them to the charging case, smart case, not charging case. Okay, and there's just warranty and safety handling and regulatory information. Nothing else. Okay, let's put that back. I think I should have left the cable, but well, either way. Okay, yeah, we leave it like this. Close the box. Yes, leave it like this. And let's make a thumbnail. Okay, let's put that to the side. And there is the main course of today. Oh my God. Wow. Now this is cool. This is really, really cool. Open like this. It's heavily. Oh. Look at this. Apple Incorporation. One Apple Way, Cupertino. Damn, boy. Now that's some quality stuff. This screams quality. Holy moly. Okay, the protective ear cups. Okay. Let's put that to the side. Let's put them here for the moment. Just Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, there's our case. And that's how you hold. Wow. Oh, it's so satisfaction. Damn, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, noise canceling. Yeah. You know what? I think this was a great decision. Well, I'm gonna do a review of those sound, of those functions later when I start using them. For now, thank you for watching, and until the next time, it was MDP Tech. Bye.